Hello. Our first card is the number card 123. It's about vision. It says here, our paths are our paths alone. Nobody else has got the same path as you. That is what makes us so unique. We must be comfortable where we at and let go of things that don't serve us anymore. Allow the sun to bring us into peace. Be stable and within yourself and around others. As you move on your new journey, your new path, there is going to be lots of growth in all areas of your life. It's time for reflection now, and that's angel number 666. As I refocus on what serves my highest good, I feel myself shift into my highest self, which is really a beautiful card, certainly not demonic as far as I'm concerned. Um, it's not the time now for there's still a whole lot of things that must still happen, and a lot of wrongs that must be made right. But you can still dream your new life into being. It will be a whole new beginning for you. Our third card for the future is 1818. Be positive, be optimistic about your future. Everything is in perfect order as I enter into the next chapter of my life. I connect to abundance which is near. There's no need to worry. Um, uh, um, the big picture will come to you and you will feel comfortable and understand that you will have the resources to help others. You won't feel so stuck in life. We have been in the cold for a very long time, but we are being enlightened, so we're coming out of that now. We don't know where it's all taking us, but I can guarantee you it's going to bring you happiness and vitality, and you'll be able to take control of your life and move forward in a more positive way. Thank you very much. Thanks for listening. I love you.